Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you remember the things that you have learned in previous lesson. I suggest to watch the previous lesson again and revise again. Alright, okay, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's learn to say watch in Urdu. So in English we say watch and in Urdu it is ghadi. Ghadi. Then in English we say clock. And that in Urdu is also called ghadi. Watch, ghadi, clock, ghadi. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now we say whose. We ask question and we say whose in English. And in Urdu it is kiska. Kiska. Whose, kiska. Then in English we say mine. And in Urdu it is mera. Mine, mera. I hope you remember saying yours in Urdu. It's aapka. Alright, now let's repeat these words one more time. In English we say whose and in Urdu it is kiska. Then in English we say mine and in Urdu it is mera. Repeat and practice. Alright, now we ask the question and we say whose flower is this? And in Urdu it is ये किसका फूल है? Whose flower is this? ये किसका फूल है? ये किसका फूल है? ये किसका फूल है? Alright? So the answer to the question is, if it is mine, so I'm going to say it's mine in English. And in Urdu it is ये मेरा है. ये मेरा है. ये मेरा है. It's mine. And if it's not mine, then I'm going to say it's not mine. And in Urdu it is ये मेरा नहीं है. ये मेरा नहीं है. Let's repeat one more time. So we ask a question and say whose flower is this? And in Urdu it is ये किसका फूल है? The answer to it is it's mine. And in Urdu it is ये मेरा है or it's not mine. And in Urdu it is ये मेरा नहीं है. Remember, we can ask about anything. So the word flower could be replaced with anything that you are asking about. It could be house or a car or a cup, bag or a pencil. It could be just anything. You're just going to say whose cup is this, or whose pen is this, or whose car is this. And in Urdu it's going to be ये किसकी गाड़ी है? ये किसका कलम है? ये किसकी प्याली है? It could be anything. So the word phool is going to be replaced by the thing that you are asking about. Okay? Practice a lot. Let you just look around, ask the question from yourself and answer. First with it's mine and then with it's not mine. Okay? Alright, and the answer could always be like it's my flower. And in Urdu it is ये मेरा फूल है. Right? Instead of saying it's mine, you can always say it's my flower. ये मेरा फूल है. Or it's not my flower. ये मेरा फूल नहीं है. So let's repeat one more time. It's my flower. ये मेरा फूल है. Or it's not my flower. ये मेरा फूल नहीं है. Okay, I hope you have understood the differences. Speak and practice with yourself. You are going to look around, look at the things and ask the question, ये किसका है, and then answer it. Okay? Alright, so here this is the end of the lesson. I will see you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.